Alrighty, so today we have a person applying a force of 600 newtons to the right onto a box with a mass of 56 kilograms. And we know the force of friction on the box is 120 newtons, and we want to know what the acceleration of the box is going to be. Alright, so let's see here. We have this box and it has a mass of 56 kilograms. And there's a force being applied here. Force applied, and that is equal to 600 newtons. And then we know that the force of friction acts opposite of the force applied always, or opposite of motion. And so the force of friction equals 120 newtons. And we want to know what the acceleration in the box is. So what don't we know? Fa equals 600 newtons. The force of friction equals 120 newtons. And the mass is 56 kilograms. And we want to know what the acceleration is. What is A? Great. Well, if we use Newton's second law, and Newton's second law says the net force is equal to the mass times acceleration. Well, the net force is going to be given by negative left plus the positive right. So the force of friction plus the acceleration, the applied force, is equal to the mass times acceleration. Well, the force of friction is 120, but it is negative 120 because it's to the left. And the applied force is positive, is to the right. Equals MA. We'll take MA for now. Well, negative 120 plus 600 is positive 480 equals MA. Well, by Newton's second law, if we rearrange this equation, we get A equals F net over M. Well, so divide by M. So it implies that 480 over M equals A. That's equals 480 over 56. And 480 divided by 56 is 8.57 approximately meters per second squared. And that's positive, so we know the acceleration is going to be to the right. So it's going to be speeding up to the right. And that is how you find the acceleration of a box using Newton's second law.